Hi, I'm Klarice. Welcome to the Flooring Corner here at Georgia Carpet. In today's video, we're doing a product review on the Shaw Anso Colorwall. The Shaw Anso Colorwall features multiple carpet styles in 80 stunning colors. You can choose from warm or cool tones, neutrals or color, solid color, tonals, and flex. All carpets made from the Anso nylon fiber can be recycled. Shaw Anso Nylon offers superior resilience over other natural or synthetic fibers. Anso is one of the longest running and most trusted brands in the flooring industry and has been offering the most extensive warranty package in the industry for more than 40 years. All Anso Nylon products are treated with Shaw's patented R2X stain and soil resistance treatment. Anso Nylon carpets are tough. And for that reason, these styles carry a transferrable, non-prorated, labor-inclusive lifetime stain, soil, and pet stain warranty. Plus, the products are backed with Softback Platinum, a proprietary backing system that offers a no-wrinkle warranty. Shaw Anso Colorwall is an exclusive merchandising opportunity that is only available through members of the Shaw Flooring Network, and we are one of the proud members of this alliance. Only the top 100 distributors and retailers in the nation have full access to the entire collection. Last but not least, to extend the warranty on your new Shaw carpet an additional 7 to 10 years, Shaw recommends using the St. Jude padding collection. With every purchase, a direct donation is made to the hospital to help the kids in need. To view the Shaw Anso Colorwall collection, visit us online at georgiacarpet.com or give us a call at 800-535-8789. Also, follow us on social media at Georgia Carpet on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.